Hello and welcome to Little Antique Me. My name is Elizabeth, and this is a little different look than what I normally do, but I like to be casual today, I guess. So if you would like to join me in a casual unboxing, that would be great. You grab yourself a cup of tea, cup of coffee, and yeah, here we go. So the backstory on this is, I think it was about a month ago, I entered a giveaway hosted by Mak Sweaters, and I literally entered the last day of the giveaway because my sweater that I had ordered from them had just arrived, and I posted a picture and randomly decided to enter, and lo and behold, I got third place. And so thank you so much, Mak Sweaters, for picking me for this giveaway, and I'm so grateful and blessed to be able to buy more of their lovely sweaters. I have been looking at their sweaters for quite some time. That was a lot of sweaters in a couple of sentences. Anyway, we're gonna say sweaters a lot. Anyway, I've been looking at their sweaters online for quite a while, and I really liked just what I saw. I loved the cardigans, I loved the button-ups, I loved the vintage flair of them. And I had been wanting to order from them for quite some time, and so this seemed like the greatest opportunity to do so. And so I took my $100 and I spent it on the website. I went on and searched through all the ones that I knew I had wanted, and then also added a few that were just extra fun ones that I loved and decided I needed to. I am excited to share each item with you. I do have the bag open just because I wanted to make sure that, you know, I didn't accidentally order the wrong thing, and because I had to look at them. They were just so pretty. And yeah, I'm excited to show you each piece. And if you haven't checked out their website, I'll leave the link below for you to check it out. I'm going to show you each piece and also show you how I have decided to style them, or some style ideas. Also, here's a picture of my, excuse you, I have a heat pump above my head. I don't know if you can see it in the picture, but it was on its defrost cycle and it's making lots of noises. Anywho, here's a picture of the sweater that I entered. It's really cool. It is a wrap sweater, and so you can wear it like a sweater, you can wear it frontwards, you can wear it backwards, you can wear it as a scarf. I am loving this sweater because I have so many options with it. And yeah, but here's what I ordered with my gift card. All right, the first, that's not too loud. The first thing I ordered is this hunter green. Let's see if I can open it. Cardigan sweater. Oh, it's so soft. Wow, I was not expecting that. I love this color so very much. It's just a button-up sweater. Buttons all the way up. It's got a couple of white fuzzies on there. I'll get those off later. Anyway, yeah, I really like it. I've been wearing a lot of hunter green recently, and I thought this would be a great a great addition to my wardrobe. It's the 3/4 sleeve button-up cardigan, and it is super soft, which I'm super impressed with. That's a lot of supers. Great color, great sweater, great material. Oop. Okay. Next is another, another cardigan. So I bought a black cardigan, probably on Amazon, I don't know, some time ago, maybe over a year or so ago, and it's falling apart. I literally just had to throw it away because there was a hole underneath the armpit that I have sewn probably about 5 times that literally ripped from the armpit forward, and then the collar was falling off, and I have mended it over these years, and I finally said, you know what, since I'm ordering sweaters, I'm gonna get myself a new black cardigan. So the next one I have to show you is this black cardigan, much like the other one, but it is a V-neck cardigan, which my other one was too. And so when I saw this one, I knew this was the one. It was going to replace my black cardigan that I've been sewing together for the last probably good 4 or 5 years. And yeah, I really like it. Again, it's very soft, great quality. Then nice little buttons up the front. And yeah, I cannot wait to style this one because I wear my black cardigan sweater probably 90% of the time I'm at home because my house can get kind of chilly. It's a 50s house, so it gets drafty in places. And so I'm constantly wearing a cardigan. All right. So next item. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one I actually found in the clearance section. And I was super excited about it. It's a dark blue pullover sweater. And I really like the details on it. Isn't it pretty? It's even prettier in person. This one comes in a whole bunch of different colors, but I really liked the navy. I liked how it made the flowers pop. It kind of gave me a 40s feel, and I'll probably end up styling it with some high-waisted stuff because, you know, I like my high waist. It's a little short sleeve one, but it's still really soft, nice quality, great weight. This stitching is fantastic. I love the colors. Yeah, this one came in a whole bunch of different colors: white, blue, pink, red. I'm trying to remember. But yeah, this one I'm really, really excited about. Maybe a cute little collared shirt underneath of it. All right. You might see a trend. I have been wanting for quite some time a cream colored cardigan because there have been times recently I went to go get dressed and I'm like, oh, it would be so nice to have a cream or a white cardigan. And so I decided to go for it. This is the off-white cardigan. It's just very similar to the black one. Actually, it's the same one as the black one, but just in cream or off-white, I think it was called. And I'm really excited about this one because, like I said, I have so many outfits that I said, oh, I wish I had a nice light sweater to go with them, especially like on Sundays. I have a lot of dresses that I think this will look great with. And yeah, so again, great soft sweater. My goodness. I wish you guys could feel this. This is so soft. And then my last item I saw and just had to have. It was actually the first thing that went into my cart, and I was rearranging some of the things in the cart, but this one stayed there the entire time because I love it. Hold on. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Look how cute it is. It's got a cat on it. I love it. If there are any moms out there, which I know that you guys are moms, it reminded me of Pete the Cat so much, and I love Pete the Cat. And I love that he looks like the atomic cat, which I have in my kitchen. You can't see it because you're looking at me, not my kitchen. It's got this cute little keyhole opening in the back, and the cute little sleeves, and a little black band, and just, how cool is that? I know I'm wearing this to preschool because my kids are gonna love that. I just think it's adorable. Can't wait to style this one. But I also think it'd be really cute with a pair of jeans too. So on the days where, you know, life happens, and like today. And I'm wearing my just everyday clothes, or my jeans and t-shirt, or whatever you want to call them. I think this will be a fun one because it still is really cute, and I'll still feel fancy without feeling like I've done too terribly much. Anyway, but yeah, I think he's adorable, and I can't wait to style him, and I can't wait to wear him. This one I think was the one I was most excited about. So yeah, that was my little haul of Mak Sweaters, and again, I'll leave the link to their website below. You could also check them out on Instagram, and I believe Facebook. I'll have to look on that, but I'll definitely leave their Instagram below. I want to thank Mak Sweater again for picking me for your giveaway. That really just totally made my day, and I felt so honored that you guys loved my picture so much, even though it was a last-minute entry, and chose me for your third place winner. So if you're looking for a great cardigan, I'm not paid to say any of this, by the way, but if you're looking for a great cardigan, seriously check them out. They're so soft, and I cannot wait to wear them. And I hope you liked how I styled each of them. And yeah, so may God bless you and keep you this week, and I will see you next time. Bye!